Hi, if you want to do Masters or PhD from UK, then this video is for you. Welcome back. I hope you are doing well and safe. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then kindly subscribe. On this channel, you will find scholarships, job guidelines, and much more. I upload videos twice a week on Wednesday and Saturday. In this video, I am going to talk about Commonwealth Scholarship Program. This scholarship is collaboration between the UK government and Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. In this video, I am going to talk about programs and themes offered in Commonwealth Scholarship, eligibility criteria, procedure to apply for this scholarship, deadline. So let's get started. This scholarship is for Masters and PhD program, and there are 6 themes in which you can apply. One of them is Science and Technology for Development. Second is Strengthening Health System and Capacity, Promoting Global Prosperity, Strengthening Global Peace, Security and Governance, Strengthening Resilience and Response to Crisis, and the last one is Access, Inclusion and Opportunity. So you can apply in any one of these 6 themes for your Masters or PhD program. Now, if we talk about the eligibility criteria for this scholarship, you must be a Pakistani or Azad Jammu and Kashmir national and permanent resident of Pakistan or Azad Jammu and Kashmir. If you have dual nationality, then you are not eligible for this scholarship. And you must be available to start your academic studies in the UK in September or October 2022. For Master's Scholarship, applicant must hold a first-class degree in a relevant postgraduate qualification, that is 16 years, bachelor's or master degree, in the relevant field of study by closing date of applications. And for PhD Scholarship, applicant must hold a first-class degree in the relevant postgraduate qualification, that is 17 or 18 years master's, MS or MPhil degree in the relevant field of study by closing date of applications. And if you don't have the first class, then maximum 2 second divisions are allowed, but candidate must not have second division in the terminal or last degree. Okay. And you must apply under one of the themes as mentioned in previous slide, and on the CSC, that is the Commonwealth website, and candidates field of study must be aligned with the future development needs of Pakistan. And you must not be registered for master or PhD or MPhil leading to a PhD at a UK university before September or October 2022. And you must not have commenced and be currently registered for master or PhD or an MPhil leading to a PhD in your home country or elsewhere. And you have the support of a potential supervisor from at least one UK university listed in your application form. And this is for the PhD actually, not for the masters. And you have to provide all supporting documentation in the required format. And we are unable to afford to study in the UK without this scholarship. And you have to submit 2 references submitted online to a UK application system, and you must obtain minimum 70% marks in HEC aptitude test hit. Okay, so this is the eligibility criteria for Commonwealth Scholarship. Now let's talk about the procedure. So for this scholarship, you have to submit 2 applications, one on the Commonwealth Portal and one on the HEC Portal. If you fail to submit on any portal, your application will be rejected or will not be considered anymore. So for Commonwealth application, you have to fill the application form. For master, this is the link, and for PhD, this is the link. I had put both these links in the description of this video. And for HEC application, you have to register at this link. I had also added this link in the description below. And once you register yourself, you have to complete your HEC profile. And after completing your HEC profile, you have to select Learning Opportunities Abroad under Scholarship and Grant menu in left-hand side panel of the online portal. Okay. Once you select this one, then you have to submit an online application at HEC website, and you have to attach a scan copy of your challan or deposit fees of 800, which is actually for the HEC aptitude test and the account details of the HEC is given. So you have to submit your fees in this bank account. Okay. And before applying, if you have already HEC profile, then you need to update your HEC profile with latest email, cell number, and updated information. Okay. Now let's talk about the deadline. So the deadline for the HEC portal is 1st November 2021, 16 hours Pakistan Standard Time, means 4 p.m. Pakistan Standard Time. Okay. And for the Commonwealth Portal, all application must be submitted and all mandatory fields completed in the application form by 4 p.m. GMT on 1st November 2021 at the latest. Okay. And your application must include all the supporting documents by 4 p.m. on 22nd November 2021 in order for your application to be eligible for consideration. Okay. So if you are eligible, must apply. This is a good scholarship. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment box below. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.